Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to cover 40 most important questions from chapter on sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Please watch this video till end so that you can cover MCQs from line to line of NCERT. I am going to start and the drill remains the same, that is you will get 10 to 15 seconds after I read question. Till then you can comment your answer. Okay, and here comes your question number 1. What would be the ploidy of the cells of tetrad? An easy question. And the correct answer is option number A, haploid. Next question. A multicarpellary Apocarpus gynoecium is found in and the correct answer is option number B, Michelia. If in place of Apocarpus it is written Syncarpus, then your answer would be Papaver. Next question. To some extent, viability of pollen grains depend upon option A, temperature, option B, humidity, option C, both 1 and 2, and option D, light. And the correct answer is option number C, because the extent viability of pollen grain depends upon both temperature and humidity. Next question. Which type of pollination is quite rare in flowering plants? Again an NCERT liner question. And the correct answer is option number C, water. The pollination by water is known as entomophily. Next question. Persistent endosperm in mature seed is found in which of the following? Option A, pea, option B, gram, option C, groundnut, or is option number D, wheat? And the correct answer is option number D, wheat. Because in wheat, the endosperm remain persistent even after the seed is matured. Next question. Event unique to flowering plant is? Five seconds more. And the correct answer is option number C, double fertilization. Next question. Endothecium, middle layer and tapetum in anther are derived from? And the correct answer is option number B, primary parietal cell. Next question. Main function of endothecium in anther is? Option A, mechanical, option B, nutritive, option C, dehiscence, or is option D, storage? An easy question. And the correct answer is option number C, dehiscence. Next question. Double fertilization means option A, fusion of male gamete and an ovum. Second, fusion of two polar bodies. Third, a male gamete fused with egg and second male gamete fused with secondary nucleus. Or is option D, all of this? So the correct answer is again an NCERT liner question, option number C. Not always the answer is all of them, because one of the male gamete from pollen grain goes to egg cell and another with secondary nucleus. They both fuse and carry out two processes named as triple fusion and syngamy. These both are together known as double fertilization. Next question. Anthesis is a phenomena which refers to and the correct answer is option number A, opening of flowering flower bud is known as anthesis. Next question. In angiosperm, pollen tube liberates their male gamete into and the correct answer is option number D, synergid cells. Let's see. Here comes the pollen grain and it releases its male gametes into synergid cells. Here I can't draw the proper diagram. Next question. Which of the following pair of plants structures are haploid number of chromosomes? Means you have to determine which of the following has haploid number of chromosomes. And the correct answer is option number D. Let's see. In Nucellus, the ploidy level is 2n. In antipodal cell, it is haploid. In egg nucleus, it is 2n. In secondary nucleus, it is 2n. In megaspore mother cell, it is 2n. And in antipodal cell, it is n. Whereas in egg cell and antipodal cell, they both contain haploid number of chromosomes. Next question. Find out the ploidy level of the following structures respectively: Nucellus, polar nucleus, microspore mother cell, endosperm, female gametophyte. Let's see the answer. Nucellus. Nucellus is a diploid cell. So the answer must be option B or option C. Polar nucleus is an haploid. And that's it. We have got our answer. Nucellus is diploid. Polar nucleus is haploid. Microspore mother cell is diploid. Endosperm is triploid. Female gametophyte is haploid. because female gametophyte is equivalent to embryos. Endosperm is not consumed completely during embryo development in and the correct answer is option number D, castor. Next question. In over 60% of angiosperms, pollen grains are shed at again an easy question, and the correct answer is option number C, two-celled stage. Next question. Pollen grains of many species cause severe allergies and bronchial affliction in some people, often leading to chronic respiratory disorder such as and the correct answer is option B, both asthma and bronchitis. Emphysema is caused due to cigarette smoking. Next question. Parthenogenesis occurs when again an easy question, and the correct answer is option A, because parthenogenesis is an process when embryo is formed without the fusion of egg and sperm. Next question. In which one pair both the plants can be vegetatively propagated by leaf pieces? Again a simple PYQ question. And the correct answer is option number A, Bryophyllum and Kalanchoe. Next question. When a diploid female is crossed with tetraploid male, the ploidy of endosperm cells in resulting seed will be an important PYQ. And the correct answer is option number A, tetraploidy. How it came? Let's see. When a diploid female plant means if the female plant is diploid, then its gametes will be haploid, and when tetraploid male plant is there, then their gametes will be diploid. So a diploid plant when it is fused with a haploid female plant contain two cells. Okay, so the two cells of two haploid female plants plus one diploid male plant fused to form seed, that is tetraploid. Next question. Anemophily type of pollination is found in Anemophily is wind pollination, and wind pollination is found in option D, coconut. Next question. Which of the following haploid structure is present in male plant of papaya? And the correct answer is option C. You must be thinking that antibodal cells are also haploid. Yes, it is correct. But question says male plant. Antibodal cells are found in female plants. So the correct answer is option C, generative cells. Next question. Aileron layer, that is a protein rich found in some cereals, is a part of. An easy question. And the correct answer is option A, endosperm. Next question. The function of suspensor is suspensor cells. And the correct answer is option C, to push the embryo towards the endosperm to provide more food. Next question. Coconut water from the tender coconut is a option C, pre-nuclear endosperm. Next question. The proximal end of filament of stamen is attached to the and the correct answer is thalamus or petal. Single shield shaped cotyledon of grass is known as. You must know that a grass is a monocot plant, and in monocot plant the cotyledon is known as. Simple, option D, scutellum. Next question. Transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of another flower of same plant. This process is known as. Zytogamy. Option C. If at place of same plant, here if there was different plants, then the correct answer would be xenogamy. Next question. In a flowering plant, archisporium give rise to. And the correct answer is option number B, both wall and the sporogenous cells. Next question. The seed of which type of plant have no dormancy? Means even after maturity, the seed does not get dormant. And the correct answer is option D, mangroves. Next question. Which of the following are crucial for storage of seeds? And the correct answer is option D, 2 and 3 both, because dehydration and seed dormancy both are required for storage of seeds. Next question. In angiosperm, if haploid number of chromosome is 12, then what will be the number of chromosome in integuments and synergids? And the correct answer is option number B, 24 and 12, because integuments are diploid and synergids are haploid. So if diploid and haploid number of chromosome are 12, then its diploid chromosome number will be doubled. Next question. Two non-motile male gametes in angiosperm are produced by and the correct answer is option A, generative cell. Next question. Functional megaspore in an angiosperm develops into and the correct answer is option B, embryo sac. Next question. The part of pistil which acts as landing platform for pollen grain is an easy question. Pollen grain lands on stigma. Next question. Chasmoclistogamous flowers are present in means a flower that contains both chasmogamous and clistogamy. And NCERT examples. Correct answer is all of these. Next question. When anther and stigma mature at same time, then it is called homogamy. Let's see in the next slide what is allogamy, dichogamy and xenogamy. You can take screenshot of this slide. Dichogamy is when anther and stigma mature at different time. Allogamy is the fertilization of flower by pollen from another flower of different plant. And xenogamy is fertilization of flower by pollen from a flower on genetically different plant. Here the genetically it is same plant, but in xenogamy the plant also became different genetically. Next question. Nucellar polyembryony is reported in species of and the correct answer is an easy question. Option C, both 1 and 2. Polyembryony means more than two embryos in a seed. Next question. How many meiotic divisions are necessary for formation of 100 megaspore functional megaspores? An easy question. And the correct answer is option C, 100, because one functional megaspore produce one after one meiotic division, one functional megaspore is produced from an megaspore mother cell, because the remaining three gets degenerate. So the correct answer is option C, 100. Next question. Micropyle in seeds helps in entry of and the correct answer is option C, water and air, not the pollen tube, because the pollen tube does not enter from the micropyle region, and if pollen tube is not entering, then how come male gamete will enter? So the correct answer is option C, water and air. Last question of our class. What is the ploidy level of endosperm found in monocot and dicot plant respectively? Means the ploidy of both monocot plant and dicot plant for endosperm. And the correct answer is option D, not option A and option C, because here it is written monocot and dicot plant, not the gymnosperm and angiosperm. In gymnosperm, the endosperm has ploidy level haploid, and in angiosperm, the endosperm has ploidy level triploid. But here it is written monocot and dicot plant. So monocot and dicot both plants are included in angiosperm. So you will go through, and the correct answer is option D, triploid and triploid. Hope you guys have enjoyed a lot doing this question, and if you really loved this question, then you can share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel. You can also comment your doubts in comment box. Till then, goodbye and thank you.